Welcome back again to my channel. Welcome. So let's just get right into it. You guys already know how I do. We get right into it. So today we are going to be making some chocolate banana bread. We're also going to be making some nutty banana bread, as I like to call them, and also some plain banana bread. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this all in one. You don't need to even stress at all. So as you can see, I had that banana that was going bad, and it was about 4 or 5 of them, and I threw them in there, mixed it up. You know, you need to squash your banana as well as much as you can. And then I went ahead to pour in my melted butter, my oil, a little bit of oil, and then mixed everything together. And now I added some milk. Yeah, you can decide not to add milk in yours. And then I'm going ahead to put 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And then I added 2 cups of sugar and 4 cups of flour. So I'll definitely leave everything in the description box for you, and you'll see everything. So don't worry about it. Go to the description box and you will see everything in. I added in some salt. I would say that will be about 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I went ahead to mix everything together, mix it thoroughly, and just make sure that everything is looking good. Now I am placing my parchment paper in my baking pan, and we are going to be pouring this in. I think this first one will be our nutty banana bread. Okay, that's how I want to call it, the nutty banana bread. So I kind of like blended my nuts in my blender, you know, just a little blend. You don't want to do too much, just a little bit. And this is how it came out. I poured that in, mixed up, and then put the rest on top of it just to give it a nice look, you know. And now we are making the chocolate one. I went ahead and scooped in my cocoa powder, and then I am going to be putting in that some of my butter, and we are going to mix that thoroughly. So this is what it looks like after you mix it. And I am going to, on this day I didn't have the regular chocolate. So you guys, what I did was I saw my kids Toblerone, and I just opened it up and broke it into pieces and threw it in there, and guess what, it worked so good, honestly. That worked. So yeah, improvise, and it really did a good job. I liked how chunky it was. The outcome and everything, I really loved it. So yeah, it worked. And we're going to pour that into our second pan, and yeah, make sure you scoop that in as much as you can. Of course, you don't want to overfill your pan, because you know that the bread will definitely rise and be up there, so you don't want to do that. And then I went ahead to place some chocolate on top of it, just to give it that nice color, the nice look. This is the two we have here right now, the chocolate banana bread and the nutty banana bread, and we're going to be putting that in. And in this last pan is where I will be mixing, I called it, this is the marble banana bread, honestly, because I just put together the leftover batters that I had and just, you know, gave it a little swirl, and it turned out great. It turned out perfect. Yeah, this is just what I did, and it turned out real good. And we're going to also put that in there and wait for our bread to be ready. I baked this for about 20 to 25 minutes on 350 degrees, and this is what our banana bread is looking like. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Listen, if you have not subscribed already, I don't know what else you're waiting for, but I have more recipes coming your way. And if you have any recipe you want me to try, please go ahead and leave that in the comment section, and I will definitely come through. Okay, so yeah, look at that yummy goodness. Soft, hot, and listen, this is everything. This, my kitchen was smelling so good. Listen, everything. This is You just have to try it. I'll leave everything in the description box. Just try it and let me know if you do try it, and also, just let me know if you do. And if you have not subscribed already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share this video, like this video. You're not the only one that wants to learn how to make this banana bread. I'm sure your friends and family want to learn how to make it as well. So do go ahead and share, like, and comment on this video. And this is me, doing a little adding on my chocolates, just to listen. I just wanted to enjoy this, okay? I just wanted to enjoy it. I wasn't counting the calories and all of that. And just look at this. Like, can you believe that you can make this like in the comfort of your own home? Yes, you can. And I just couldn't wait. I had to dive in. And yes, it was all worth it. It was just so good. Bye guys, I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video.